Why are you still treating your old content like trash when it could be your best traffic source? 1 out of 47 posts, 89 without images, 62 with SEO titles that don't convert. You didn't write them to be invisible, so why not give them a second life in 5 minutes flat?
Manually updating hundreds of posts, that's hours or even days of tedious work. Enter AIWU's bulk post editor, your AI-powered content optimizer. Let me show you how to fix all these issues in minutes, not days. Step 1. Select the posts you want to update. Click Add to open the post selector. You can filter by title, categories, or tags to find exactly the posts you need. Let's say we want to update all our WordPress posts. I'll select 10 posts that need improvement. Click Add, and they're in our queue. Step 2. Add specific context for each post. This is powerful. You can guide the AI with unique instructions. For example, I'll tell the AI to focus on beginners and include specific SEO keywords. You can customize each post individually or leave them blank for general improvements. Step 3. Choose which fields to generate. Let's generate new SEO-optimized titles. The AI will analyze the article content and create a better, more clickable title. Next, featured images. The AI will generate unique images using DALL based on your article titles. And excerpts, perfect for SEO meta descriptions and social media previews. The AI will also suggest relevant tags by analyzing your content. No more manual tagging. Pro tip: add a global prompt to guide all generations at once. This ensures consistency across all your updated posts. Finally, choose how to publish. You have 2 options. I recommend starting with drafts. This lets you review everything before going live. Now, simply click Start Generation and let AI do the heavy lifting. The plugin will process each post, generate all selected fields, and create drafts for your review. In just a few minutes, all 10 posts are processed. Click Preview to see what was generated. Look at the transformation: professional title, custom image, SEO-optimized excerpt, and relevant tags. What would have taken hours is done in minutes. Unlike generic AI tools, AIU understands WordPress structure. It reads your actual post content, respects your categories, and generates images that match your brand tone.
With AIWU's bulk post editor, you can transform your entire content library in one afternoon. Update hundreds of posts with better titles, images, excerpts, and SEO data, all powered by AI. Stop wasting time on manual updates. Start optimizing smarter. Link to AIWU plugin in the description. Your old posts are costing you traffic right now. Don't wait. Click the link below, install AIWU, and transform your content library before lunch.